In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create an Airtable account. By the end of this guide, you'll be all set up and ready to take advantage of the powerful organizational and collaboration tools that Airtable offers. Let's dive right in. First, you'll want to start by opening your preferred web browser and heading over to the Airtable website. Just type in www.airtable.com and you'll be on your way. Once there, the vibrant and inviting homepage should immediately grab your attention. Now, your next step is to look for the sign up for free button. This is typically found at the top right corner of the page, but you might also spot it centrally positioned on the homepage, ensuring you don't miss it. After clicking the button, you'll be given choices on how you'd like to proceed with your sign up. Airtable offers you three convenient options to create your account. First, if you prefer to sync more seamlessly with your existing services, you can opt to sign up using your Google account by selecting Continue with Google. Just follow the prompts as they appear. Alternatively, for those of you in the Apple ecosystem, signing up with your Apple ID is just as straightforward. Simply click on Continue with Apple. Lastly, if you'd rather use an email address, this option allows for a bit more personalization. Here, you'll need to enter a few key details: your name, a valid email address, and a secure password. Once you've filled out this information, just hit sign up. Now, if you chose to register via email, keep an eye out for a verification email from Airtable in your inbox. This step is crucial to confirm your email address. Open the email and click on the Verify Email button or link provided. This verification ensures that your email address is correctly linked to your account, helping to secure your account and finalize your registration. Once your email is verified, you're almost ready to unravel the full potential of Airtable. You'll be ushered into the setup phase where Airtable will guide you through a few onboarding questions. These might pertain to your role or how you intend to use Airtable, allowing the platform to tailor the experience to your specific needs. Now comes the fun part. Airtable will create a workspace for you. From here, you can either start from a pre-designed template, import an existing spreadsheet that might be crowded with data, or opt to craft a new base entirely from scratch. And there you have it. With these simple steps, you're now set up with a powerful Airtable account, ready to explore, organize, and collaborate effortlessly. Thanks for watching, and I hope you enjoy your Airtable journey.